Here's how to remove background in Capcut PC. Now, I'm using a Mac, but this will work for your PC as well. So once your video is uploaded into Capcut, click on the video, and then you're going to come over here to where it says cutout, and you're going to click auto cutout. So it might take maybe a minute or so depending on how long the video is, and then what you're going to do once that is done, maybe you decide you might want a background. So I'm going to go ahead and move this background over here, and I'm going to move the video above this here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I'm going to expand it so it covers the entire length of the video. And then for the video, I'm sure that I can move this more to the middle. So there we go. You can now see that that is done there, and I will also expand this down here to the end of the video.
Cardinal Health is looking for a senior representative in customer service.
So there you go. There's how that works. Now it's the exact same thing for an image. So if I had an image here, I would do the exact same thing. You go ahead and move the image over. Okay. So this is just an image. Okay. It's not a video, as you can see. Hold on just a moment. So this is I'm playing now, and it's an image. So you're just going to do the exact same thing. Okay. Auto, and then let's see here. Put this up here, and there you go, just like that. So that is how you remove background in PC, Mac for a video and also a picture.